Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it is a pleasure to serve you guys by doing this video. So let's get started. Today I would like to share with you guys a Dollar Tree haul. I am organizing my family room / game room upstairs, and I needed to get some items. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep watching. Okay, the first item that I got from the Dollar Tree were these. So I got 4 of these. I think 4 fits perfectly in my drawer, so I got 4 of these. Then we just got a new mini refrigerator for upstairs. The one that we had broke, so I like to keep like water upstairs, so I got these bottles which are BPA free, as you can see here, and I kind of like the color, so I got 5 of these. I had not planned on buying these, but I went in and I saw them. I thought they were really cute. They only had 2, so I'm looking for 2 more. I got some scrubbing pads. I was out of these, got that. I saw these as well. Like I said, I did not plan on buying these. I went in for storage items, but I saw these and thought these were really neat. So I actually got 4 of these because there's 4 of us, so I got 4 of these. I'm only going to show 2 because they're very heavy. Stopped into the mug section or cup section to get my cups for coffee. I saw this one that just says coffee on it. So, but this will go actually upstairs in my mug collection. And then I also got this one that says coffee tastes better when it's shared. I thought I'd give my husband this one. So really cute, nice size. I mean, I wish it was bigger because I like a lot of coffee, but you know, it's okay. Then I got one of these. Whenever I like wash my vegetables, I like using this. I actually put it to soak in a little bit of vinegar and baking soda, so that's why I got this, because after a while they tend to get, you know, kind of dirty, so I wanted to, you know, refresh the old one that I had. As well as I got these napkins, not napkins, sorry, placemat that says bless. Actually got 4 of these. Really cute. Absolutely like it. I got some of these. Whenever I go into the Dollar Tree and I see these in white, I don't care how much is on the shelf, I just take them all. I don't even count. I just grab them up because I use these all the time, and sometimes they tend to break. So I like to have these on hand to, you know, replenish it once it's damaged. This time I got 18 as well, guys. This is the end of the haul. If you enjoyed this small haul, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. As always, it is a pleasure to serve you guys by doing this kind of video. Until the next time, y'all be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.